Hey guys, I am in my camper as I most often am during the week, and I just want to make this short. I, I was so excited about eating this, I didn't even show you guys how I did it, but I'm going to tell you real quick what the recipe is for my chaffles. I'm having a cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger chaffle burger thing. I don't know what you call it. Got some honey mustard or hot honey, pork rinds, and a pickle. Real quick, one egg, a half a cup of finely shredded mozzarella cheese, an eighth of a cup of almond flour, and a good, say, teaspoon or so of Italian seasoning. That's all I use. It's not keto because of the almond flour, but it darn sure is low carb, and it tastes absolutely amazing. And it's what I'm eating tonight for supper or dinner, whatever you want to call it. Peace out, everybody. Catch you on the next one.